How to set up your Odoo e-commerce store in 1 minute. Want to launch an online store with Odoo? Let's do it step by step. First, log into Odoo and install the website and e-commerce modules. These are essential for building your store. Next, go to the website module and choose a theme that matches your brand. Odoo's drag and drop editor makes customization easy. Now, it's time to add products. Click New Product, enter the name, price, and description, and upload high-quality images. Don't forget to organize products into categories. It helps customers find what they need. Then, set up payment options. Before going live, preview your store to make sure everything looks perfect. Once ready, hit publish and start selling. And that's it. Your Odoo store is up and running. Need expert guidance? Contact OdooTech and book a free consultation.